Hello guys, welcome to Coding Essentials. Today's topic is operators in Python. The first kind of operators is arithmetic operators. They are used to perform mathematical calculations. So there are seven basic arithmetic operators. First one is plus, which means addition, so x plus y. Then comes minus, subtraction, x minus y. Then comes multiplication. Multiplication is denoted by asterisk, so x asterisk y, it means x multiplied by y. Then comes slash, means division, so x slash y means x divided by y. Then comes modulus operator. Okay, modulus operator gives the remainder of the division. For example, x modulus y will give the remainder of x by y. For example, if x equals 5 and y equals 3, then 5 by 3, so 3 ones are 3 and the remainder is 2. So 5 modulus 3 will give the answer as 2. Then comes floor division. It gives the quotient of the division. For example, x floor y will give a quotient of x by y. For example, if x is 5 and y is 3, then 3 ones are 3 and remainder is 2. So the quotient is 1 and the answer for x floor division y is 1. Okay, 2 asterisk sign means exponent. For example, x asterisk y means x to the power y. Okay, now let's do some examples. So we'll fix the value as x equals 3 and y equals 2 and z equals 5. Okay, now we'll perform all the basic operations. X plus y plus z, 10. X plus y minus z, 0. X minus y minus z, minus 4. X minus y, 1. Okay, these were addition and subtraction. Now x multiplied by y multiplied by z, 30. X multiplied by y, 6. Then x by y, 1.5. Y by z, 0.4. So these were the 4 basic arithmetic operations in maths. Now comes the modulus operator. So x modulus y. So x is 3 and y is 2. So the modulus operator should give 2 ones are 2 and remainder as 1. So answer should be 1. Then y modulus z should be 2 because z is larger than y. So answer should be the value of y. Okay, z modulus y should give 2 2s are 4 and remainder as 1. So answer should be 1. Now let's go to floor division. So x floor y should be 1 because 2 ones are 2 and the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 1. So answer should be 1. And z floor y should be 2 because 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 1. So the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 1. So the floor division answer of z and y should be 2. Okay, now the exponents. X star star y or x raised to y. So 3 square is 9. Then comes x raised to 5. Z. So 3 raised to 5 is 243. Okay, now let's try this. Y and z. So basically it is 3 raised to 2 raised to 5. Therefore first 2 raised to 5 is 32 and 3 raised to 32 will give you this big answer. Okay, these were the basic arithmetic operations. Moving on to assignment operators. So assignment operators. Operator equal to, example is x equals 7 and equivalent to x equals 7, it's one and the same. Then comes plus equal. So for example, if we want to update a value of x by adding a certain value, for example 7, then we write x plus equals 7, which is equivalent to x equals x plus 7. Similarly, minus equal means x minus equals 7. We will update the value of x by subtracting the value of x by 7. So x equals x minus 7. Then star equals that. So this will basically mean that we will update the value of x multiplying it by 7. So x star equals 7 means x equal x into 7. Divide equal is same as x equals x divided by 7. X modulus equals 7 is same as x equals x modulus 7. X floor division 7 is same as x equal x floor division 7. Then x star star equals 7 is equal to x equals x raised to 7. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, so x equals 9 and y equals 6. Okay, now x plus equals 1 will give 10. Then x minus equal 1, okay, minus equal 10 will give 0. Yes, it's 0. Now let's try x first. Let's increment the value with 4. So answer is 4. Now x multiply equal 2. Answer should be 8. Yes, it's 8. Now let's try x divide equal to 2. The answer should be 4 again. So it's 4.0. It will convert the value in float. Okay, now comes modulus. X modulus equals 3. The answer should be 1. Yes, it's 1. Now comes floor division. Floor division with 1. So x is 1 because 1 ones are 1 and 1 is the quotient. Now first, okay, now let's try floor division for y. The value of y is 6 and floor division with 4. So y floor divide equal 4 and the value of y is 1 because 4 ones are 4 and 2 is the remainder. So value of y modulus equals 4 should be 1. Sorry, because y has been updated with the value of 1. So 1 modulus 4 is 1 because 1 is less than 4. First let's increment the value with 5. Now 5 modulus equals 4. It will update the value to 2. Yes, it's 2. So these were some assignment operators. Okay, I left out the exponent. So x exponent equals 2. X equals 1. Why so? What was the... Okay, 1 raised to 2 is 1. Y exponent equals 3. Y equals 8 because 2 raised to 3 is 8. Again, let's try with 7. Y is this large number. Okay, this was all about assignment operators without missing any operator. Moving on to comparison operator. They are used to compare values and returns either true or false. So these are important for the control statements, if else, for loop, while loop, that will be in the next video. So this is important to use those things. So greater operator is used for greater than. So 8 greater than 3 will give you true and 4 greater than 9 will give you false. Then comes less than. So 8 less than 3 will give you false, and 4 less than 9 will give you true. Then comes equal to operator. So in coding, you cannot use only single equal to for comparison. You need to write double equal to. So equal means equal to. So for example, okay, there's a mistake in my PPT. 3 equal 4 and 4 equal 4, not just single equal to, double equal to. So I'm sorry for the mistake. So 3 equal 4 will give you false, and 4 equal 4 will give you true. Okay, not equal to. Not equal to means 3 not equal to 4 will give you true. For not equal to, we use an exclamation mark before the equal to operator. Then comes greater than or equal to. So first use the sign of greater than and then use the sign of equal. So 3 greater than or equal to 2 is true, and 3 greater than or equal to 3 is true. So it will give true when either the number is greater than or equal to 2. Then comes less than or equal to 2. Okay, so first comes less than and then equal to sign. So 2 less than or equal to 3. Yes, it's true. And 2 less than or equal to 2, it's true. So if either of the condition is true, then it will give you true. So let's see in the shell, x equal to 5 and y equal to 4. X greater than 5, y, true, because x is 5. X less than y, false, because yeah, x is not less than y. Then x equal y, false. X not equal y, yes, it's true, it's not equal to y. Then comes x greater than or equal to y, true, because x is greater than y. It won't check the other condition if one is true. X less than or equal to y, false, because it's neither less than nor equal to. Okay, so these were all the assignment operators. Moving on to logical operators. Okay, this is also very important. There are 3 logical operators: and, or, and not. AND operator will return true if both the operands are true. So x and y, if both the operands are true, then it will return true. Then comes OR operator. True if either of the operands are true. For example, greater than or equal to. So if either it is greater than or it is equal to, it will return true. So OR operator is used, it will return true when either of the operands are true. Then comes not. So true if the operand is false. Basically it complements the value. Okay, let me show you with some examples. Okay, if x equals 5 and y equals 2. Okay, now if I write x is greater than 4 and the first condition is x is greater than 4 and y is less than or okay less than 1. Okay, this won't return true because in in AND operator the both condition should be true. So x is greater than 4, it's true, but y is not less than 1, it's 2, so it will return false. Now x is greater than 4 and y is greater than 1, both conditions in this case are true, therefore it will return true. Okay, now another condition like x is greater than or equal to 3 or y is less than or equal to 1. So in this case, in OR operator, if any of the operand is true, then it won't check for the another. For example, x is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, x is greater than or equal to 3. So that condition is true. So either of the condition is true, then the answer is true. So it won't go for checking the another one. So it will directly answer true. Now if I write x is less than or equal to 3 or y is greater than or equal to 1, in this case the first one is false and the second one is true. So it will check the first one. If it's false, then it will go to the second one and check if it's true, and if it's true, then it will return true, and if both are false, then only it will return false. Yes. Okay, now comes the not operator. So x equals true. Okay, no, not of x is less than 4. So x is not less than 4, therefore the answer should be false. But using not operator, the answer will come true because it complements the answer. Another example, not y is greater than 1. The logical answer should be true, but using the not operator first, it will complement the answer and give you false. So these were the logical operators. Moving on to membership operators. It exists for only iterables or sequence. So string, list, tuple, set and dictionary are known as iterables or sequence. So in operator, we have used in operator for checking whether or not the value or variable is found in the sequence. So in each and every iterables, in the videos I have shown you to check whether or not the value or variable is found inside the sequence or not. So in operator is used. For example, if there's a list 1 2 3 4 5, and if we want to check that whether or not 5 is inside that list, then we just write 5 in x. The name of list is x, so 5 in x. If 5 exists inside x, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Let me show you. X equals 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 3 in x will return true and 4 in will return x in return will return false. So okay, not in will basically complement. So 3 not in x will return false and 4 not in x will return true. It will complement the answer as I show you in the previous one. Okay, moving on. Okay, this was all about operators in Python. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching.